In this video you will learn how to create a case with a flexible treatment plan in 3Shape Implant Studio. Sometimes during the planning step of an implant case, the initially proposed treatment of, for instance, a bridge of 3 units on 3 implants will have to be changed to a 3-unit bridge on 2 implants due to many factors that may influence the surgery outcome or even the decision whether to conduct the surgery or not. A flexible treatment plan in 3Shape Implant Studio gives you the possibility to easily adjust the number of implants needed after you have analyzed the patient's situation in the implant planning step. The number of implants is only restricted by the number of units in the dental restoration. By using this flexible setup, the doctors do not have to return to the order form if they see that they need to add or remove an implant. First, create a case with the proposed treatment plan for 3 implants and crowns on top. Connect the crowns into a bridge. Later, this will give you the freedom of placing less implants if necessary, while still keeping the prosthetic design for all 3 teeth. Go through the next workflow steps up until the implant planning step. At the anatomy design step, place a 3-unit anatomy bridge and adjust the design aesthetically based on your professional experience. If you need to adjust each crown individually, go to the tooth selector in the upper left corner and click on the individual teeth to adjust them. Use Ctrl+C and highlight each unit to go back to the general transformation. In the implant planning step, you can set 2 implants instead of the 3 proposed, or perhaps add an extra anchor pin, if the situation requires it. The anatomy design will be kept for all crowns, saving you time as you do not have to go back to the order form to change the indications here. Use the regular Implant Studio tools to finalize the planning. You have now learned how to create a flexible treatment plan in Implant Studio. We hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.